In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Immersive Reader in Word online. So I'm in Word at the moment and I've got a blank document. Now I could open an existing document with text, I can type my own, or I can copy some. So I'm going to use the copy method. So I'll just go to my Anne of Green Gables book summary and I'm just going to copy in the title and also the summary. Once that's in there, I can go to the View ribbon and then to Immersive Reader. The text now appears in the Immersive Reader window, and I've got a play button down below. So if I click on play,
Anne of Green Gables. Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert are unmarried siblings.
that will read that text back to me. And next door, I've got my voice settings, so I can click onto that, change my voice speed, as well as the voice selection. Then at the top right, I've got text preferences, so I can click on that to change the text size, increase or decrease spacing, change my font type, and also select a theme. And we've got the more colors drop down here to select more colors. Then I can go to my grammar options, and from within there I can turn on or off the syllables. I can also highlight my parts of speech. So if I'd like my nouns to appear in magenta, I can click on the on toggle. And now all of my nouns are being highlighted in magenta. I can use the drop down to change it to another color. I can also select Show Labels, and that will show a little N above each noun. The same goes for the other parts of speech. And then I've also got my Reading Preferences menu. So from within there, I can turn on my line focus. That means that when the text is being read back to me, it's going to be read back line by line, or 3 lines at a time, or even 5 if you've got a long piece of text. I can also turn on the picture dictionary. So for example, if I click on the word farm, it will let me listen to the word farm
Farm.
and also show me an image of a farm. The picture dictionary is not available for all words. Back up to reading preferences. We've also got the ability to translate. So if I choose the language, I can select down on, let's say, French. And if we've got by word selected, that means that I can click on a particular word and see the French translation.
Ferme.
I can also go back into the reading preferences and set the translation to the entire document. And now when I click on play, that will be read back to me in French.
Anne au pignon vert. Matthew et Maria Cuthbert sont des frères et sœurs célibataires qui vivent sur leur ferme ancestrale, Green Gables, dans la paisible ville d'Avonlea.
And when you're done, you can click on the exit button to return to your document.